Learn how to copy links from Instagram comments. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to the post that contains the comment with the link. Below the post, tap on the comments icon. Locate the comment that contains the link you want to copy. If you long press on the comment, you'll notice that Instagram usually does not let you directly copy the link from comments. Take a screenshot of the comment containing the link and save the image. Now, open the Photos or Gallery app on your phone. Find and open the screenshot you just captured. Tap and hold on the text or link inside the screenshot. Your phone will automatically detect the link from the image. Look below and select the Copy Link option. The link will now be copied to your clipboard. You can use it in a browser or paste the link in the Notes app. And that's it.